How to turn off save original post automatically on your storage space or on your gallery on your Instagram account. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open your Instagram. Then when your Instagram is opening, guys, you go down and you open your profile. Then you go to this three line at the top of the screen and you go to settings, and then after settings you go to account, and then you go down and go to original post and click. Then you go to the first option, save original post, and you will turn off this option by clicking here on this place like that. And that's it guys. So we are in the end of the video. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.